Hello students. Next topic is vector or cross product. Okay. So it is called vector product or a cross product. So the vector product of two non-zero vectors A and B is denoted by A cross B, and it is given by magnitude of A into magnitude of B sine theta, and there is one more vector, so that is n cap. Okay, this is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. So A and B, suppose, are in this direction, then this unit vector is perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, so this is A cross B. So depending upon value of theta, A cross B varies. Now this is a vector product, so your outcome will be a vector. Okay, so theta varies from 0 to pi. Now if A is 0 or B is 0, then we say that A cross B is 0. Okay, either A is 0 or B is 0, or theta is not defined. In that case, A cross B is 0. Okay, now there are certain conditions. A and B are two non-zero vectors, then A cross B cross product is 0 if and only if A is parallel to B. Okay, A is parallel to B, or A and B are collinear. In this case, A cross B is 0. Okay, then A cross A, that is a particular case when both the vectors are same. A cross A is 0 vector. Okay, and also A cross minus A, that is negative of a vector, will give you a 0 vector. So here theta is 0 degree and here theta is pi. Okay, if theta is pi by 2, that is 90 degree, then cross product is sine pi by 2 is 1, so it becomes A into B. Okay, now in terms of our mutually perpendicular unit vectors, that is I cross I, then J cross J, and K cross K, this will be 0 vector. And if you take I cross J, you will get K, then it is J cross K, then you will get I, and K cross I, you will get J. Okay, so for this you have to remember one diagram that is like this. Okay, I, J, K, and you are going in this direction. Okay, so I cross J will give you K, but if you go backwards, that is J cross I, you will get minus K. Okay, so it should be I to J, I to J, J to K, K to I. So I, if you are going backwards, so I cross K will get minus J. Okay, then k cross j will get minus I, and I cross k will get minus j. Okay, j cross I minus k. Okay, next is angle between the two vectors. Okay, so from this you can write sine theta equal to a cross b upon mod of a into mod of b. Okay, so this is angle between the two vectors. Then there is one more thing, that is a cross b is not same as b cross a. That is, they are not, it is not commutative. So a cross b is same as minus b cross a. This you remember. Okay, a cross b is equal to minus b cross a. Okay, here we have two formulas. Okay, that is area of triangle and area of parallelogram, and they are defined in terms of vector product, okay, or cross product. So if you have say two vectors a and b, okay, there is a perpendicular drawn. So area of triangle ABC is given by half AB into CD, okay, base into height. So this in terms of vectors we can write half mod of A cross B. Okay, so this is your area of a triangle in terms of cross product. Let's see area of a parallelogram in terms of cross product. Okay, so area of a parallelogram is given by base into height, right? Base is AB into height CD, not CD, DE. So in terms of vectors, it is given as just A cross B. Okay. Then how to solve your vector product of two vectors? Okay. Here you have to make use of determinant. So there are two properties, that is distributive property A cross B plus C is A cross B plus A cross C. Then multiplication by a scalar to a cross product. Okay, so this can be written as cross B or A cross lambda B. Okay, and if you have two vectors, okay, A vector is A1I plus b1j plus c1k, and your b vector is a2i plus b2j plus c2k. Now cross product is given by the determinant I, j, k, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Okay, so this gives you the cross product. Let's solve some examples. Say you have to find mod of A cross B. Okay, so A vector is given 2i plus j plus 3k, and B vector is given 3i plus 5j minus 2k. Okay, now A cross B is j k 1 3 minus 2. So you have to find determinant I minus 2 minus 15 plus j minus j minus 4 minus 9 plus k 10 minus 3. So you'll get minus 17i plus 13j plus 7k. Okay, so this is your A cross B, and mod of this A cross B, that is magnitude, is root of 17 square plus 13 square plus 7 square, so it comes to something 507. Okay, let's solve second question. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors A plus B and A minus B, where A and B vectors are given. So perpendicular unit vector, so they have asked to find the unit vector. Okay, so you have to first find out the cross product. So they have told you to find A plus B and A minus B. I plus j plus k plus 2j plus 3k. Okay, so A plus B vector 1 plus 1 2i 3j 4k. A minus B 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 2 minus j 1 minus 3 minus 2k. Okay, now cross product of these two vectors. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 4 0 minus 2 0. So we'll get minus 2i plus 4j minus 2k. Okay, so this is your cross product, that is these two vectors are there, and to these two vectors there is one perpendicular vector. So you have to find the unit vector of this vector. Okay, so unit vector will be, suppose this is your vector P. Okay, so P cap P vector upon mod of P. So minus 2i plus 4j minus 2k upon root of 4 plus 4, 8, 16, 24. Okay, so root 24. So your required vector is this. Next question is based on area of triangle. So find the area of a triangle having points. Points are given. A point 1, 1, 1, B point and C point is given. Okay. Now as its vertices, so you have to find two vectors, that is half into A cross B you have to do, right? So if I take this A, B and C, so I'll take vector AC and vector AB. Okay, so first to find out vector AB, so 1 minus 1 0 I, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 2 K, then AC vector 2 minus 1, so AC vector 2 minus 1 1 I, 3 minus 1 2 J, 1 minus 1 0. Now I'll write area of ABC, triangle ABC. So half into AB vector and cross with AC vector. Okay, so AB cross AC you have to find. Okay, 0 1 2 1 2 0. Zero minus 4, J minus 2 and plus K minus 1. So minus 4I plus 2J minus K. This is your AB cross AC. Now you have to find magnitude of that. So magnitude of that is 16 plus 4 plus 1. So this is 21 root 20. So this is the area of triangle ABC. Okay. Next is you have to find the area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by the vectors. So these sides are given: A 3I plus J plus 4K and B I minus J plus K. Okay, so area of parallelogram is given by mod of A cross B, right? So find out A cross B first. Three 1 4 1 minus 1 1, so we will get I 1 plus 4 minus J 3 minus 4 plus K minus 3 minus 1, so we will get 5I plus J minus 4K. Okay, now you have to find the mod magnitude. So root of 25 plus 1 plus 60. Okay, So this is root of 42. So this is the required area. Okay.